The inspiration behind the York floor plan was to design a floor plan for a 12.5 wide lot. Having a compact footprint, it was important that the floor plan be very efficient and functional. The layout of the York floor plan positions the bedrooms on one side of the home with the open living areas on the other, which allows the open plan living to take advantage of northern sunlight to the side of the lot.
The best thing about the York, I think, is there's no wasted space in this design. 4 bedrooms, 2 living spaces, a beautiful kitchen that flows through to that dining and living area. It'll be really suitable to a wide range of buyers, so owner-occupiers, I think families will really suit this design, even down to your investors as well.
This floor plan is available with a range of design options and facades that our customers can choose to personalise the home to suit their lifestyle and preferences.
And for those people that don't require 4 bedrooms, there's also a 3-bedroom option as well, where we will be able to increase the size of those rooms. Like all our plans that we're bringing out now, there is that incorporated E-zone or study nook, and it flows really well. Very clean lines, open spaces, a little bit of everything for everyone.